Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Huntington Bank, secure fix step by step clearly. Open your internet browser. Navigate to the Huntington Bank website. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your login information. Once you've confirmed your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load your account dashboard. If you receive an error message, verify your username and password again. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If issues persist, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. For additional help, reach out to Huntington Bank's customer support. Once logged in successfully, navigate through your account options securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.